Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam BSA, 2023. Let's remind Chapter 2, which deals with relevancy of facts. 1. Closely connected facts. Facts that have a close relationship to the main fact are relevant. 2. Admissions. Statements acknowledging certain facts may be used as evidence. 3. Statements by persons who cannot be called as witnesses. Statements from unavailable witnesses can be admissible. 4. Statements made under special circumstances. Certain statements made in specific contexts hold relevance. 5. How much of a statement is to be proved? Only relevant parts of a statement are required to be proven. 6. Judgments of courts when relevant. Previous judgments may be relevant in certain cases. 7. Opinions of third persons when relevant. Expert opinions can be relevant under specific conditions. 8. Character when relevant. A person's character is relevant in certain cases, like in assessing credibility. Chapter 3. Facts which need not be proved. On proof. Section 51. Facts judicially noticeable don't need proof. Section 52. Courts shall take judicial notice of well-known facts. Section 53. Facts admitted by parties don't require proof. Chapter 4. Oral evidence. Section 54. Facts should be proved by oral evidence, and Section 55. Oral evidence must be direct. Chapter 5. Documentary evidence. Sections 56 to 73 now. Section 56. Proof of contents of documents. And Section 57. Primary evidence, original documents. And Section 58. Secondary evidence, copies or substitutes of originals. And Sections 59 to 60. Rules for proving documents through primary or secondary evidence. And Sections 61 to 63. Special provisions for electronic records. And Sections 64 to 73. Rules for verifying signatures, handwriting, attestation, and comparison of signatures or seals. Next is public documents from Sections 74 to Section 77.